So, another thing na natouch namin kagabi sa live is yung topic of cheating. But, I cannot really join doon sa conversation kasi naglalag talaga ako. But while I'm picking up the bits and pieces of the things that they are saying, I was wondering, ano yung ayaw nila doon sa cheating? I mean, we've tackled the why people cheat, or saan nanggagaling, or sino yung mas nag-cheat, babae, lalaki, so on and so forth. But I never get to answer or have their thoughts on ano yung ayaw nila sa cheating. Is it the feeling of not being a special person? Or is it the feeling na may ibang nagpapasaya or nagbibigay ng needs ng partner mo? Is it because of the possibility na iwan ka niya? Is it because of the possibility na so on and so forth? So, siguro if makakapag-comment kayo guys, I'd like to get your idea kung ano yung eksaktong ayaw nyo doon sa cheating. And I'd like to create further episodes tungkol doon sa mga sagot nyo. Okay? Comment down! This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.